What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on MATIC, which has had another big crash. It's actually started yesterday evening already when we had that bearish breakout through 75 cents. That was actually a massive bearish breakout. I mean 75 cents. We talked about it earlier in some updates, but that level right here was actually a major support level. We still had a little bit of support right here at around 70 cents, but that did not provide any support during that fall as well. So right now we're just very bearish. We dropped down to a maximum of like almost 50 cents, which is a pretty hefty fall. But yeah, altogether, I mean, MATIC right now has been so weak, and that has multiple reasons. We'll go over that in this video. Don't worry, I'll give you a full overview of what's going on right now. But it's like right now the markets are so bearish. So, or at least the markets are not what MATIC is. And most of you know that MATIC is one of, or Polygon and MATIC is one of my favorite projects, right? And one of my favorite coins, also one of my biggest holdings. Doesn't matter that much to me that it's falling on the short term. I don't think the long-term prospects are gone, but it does hurt to see. So in this video, we'll talk about what's next and what's most likely from here. Like I said, I'll give you a full fundamental overview as well. But before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me and actually make some money even when the market is falling, which we did last night, then check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. Now onto Polygon. So first of all, fundamentally, there are two big catalysts for why we are bearish like this. First of all, MATIC was named as a security in both lawsuits against Binance and against Coinbase. And then it was also delisted by Robinhood. So that probably caused a big sell-off by retail. But I have my thoughts that it was probably also sold by quite a lot of the investors. Alright, Polygon is a huge company. It got a lot of investments by all sorts of venture capitals like Sequoia Capital. It raised $450 million in 2022. So it's yeah, there were some people who put in a lot of money for some MATIC tokens, and now when the regulatory pressure increases, they probably wanted to get rid of some tokens. So that probably happened. Overall, like I said, I mean, I think Polygon is still an amazing network. Right now, it's still steady in terms of daily active addresses, daily transactions. Polygon ZK EVM is still growing at around 23 million total value locked right now. So I think long term, it's great. Short term, MATIC actually looks the most bearish from those big three, which have fallen a lot. So Solana, Polygon, and Cardano. It actually looks the most bearish. All right, right now you can see that we have this level around 57 cents, which historically is pretty strong, but it looks like we're breaking through that. And I should actually perhaps drag it down a bit. Perhaps this is better. But yeah, it almost looks like we'll drop down to 50 cents at this point of time, which is obviously not ideal, but it's all about, look, what's going to happen. And it's very hard to analyze / predict / tell you what's going to happen, because what is going to happen is that we're going to drop down to this level right here at around 55-56 cents. If we can hold that for the next couple of candles or after we touched it, then I think we can actually get some bullish momentum up to like 66 and 68 cents and get some recovery, because I actually do expect some bullish momentum from the markets next week. However, so I would say this is the most likely scenario, but it's all about what we do at that level. If we drop down to 56 cents right now and we barely get any support and we just break down below that and we just get a bearish breakout through that on like the 1 hour time frame, then we'll drop all the way down to 50 cents. And then from there, we'll have the same test. If we do not get some sort of a bullish breakout from there, we might just drop down all the way to 45 cents. So at this point of time, I'm sorry, but it's hard to predict. It's all about, I mean, personally, I would just not trade it at this point of time. And it's all about how we react to levels. Like I said, given my thoughts about the market right now, I think we will be able to hold that level and actually get some bullish momentum from 55 cents. But in unstable and bearish times like this, I mean, you should be prepared for anything. You should definitely be prepared for a move down to 45 cents. So we'll see. I'll keep you updated. But for now, that's my take on MATIC. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.